Hello, guys. I'm Hasta with WTI, and I love trying new things. And that's why this balsamic vinegar from Ponti has been my best ingredient to add to my salads, dressings, anything for my fruits, even. It's wonderful. It's practical. It's tasty. It's amazing. I love it. I used the 1787 Ponti balsamic vinegar for all my salads. I just mix it with a little bit of olive oil and it makes the perfect dressing, you guys. I love how it tastes. It just takes me back to Spain when I was there on vacation trying every single meal. They just added balsamic vinegar to nearly everything. That's funny. And it's not only for savory food, it's also for fruit. You have a fruit salad and you want to enhance the flavor of all your fruits, by just adding a little bit of this balsamic vinegar, you will notice the difference. Like it really makes a difference, you guys. So your guests will go crazy about this balsamic vinegar and they will ask what you added to your salads or your fruits or anything. So I won't ever regret getting this balsamic vinegar. You can use it for nearly everything. It gives flavor to all your foods. I use it for my chicken, salads, fruits, anything. So I think you could take advantage of this amazing product too. But that's just my point of view.